What is Kemi clay coated board? Hi, I'm Fred of littlepackaging.com, where we dedicate ourselves to the world of e-commerce packaging. A Kemi clay coated board basically is a moisture barrier resistance in the corrugated, which allows you to put down a varnish. Regular white test or white craft boards are uncoated, so basically it would be about as effective if you put varnish on top of that as putting varnish on toilet paper. Whereas Kemi, a bit more like wood, if you put varnish on it, will give it that real gloss sheen that you desire for that ultimate unboxing experience, for branding to really pop out to your customers. So actually, I should put the other way there, please, I don't encourage anyone to put varnish on toilet paper. Actually, that stuff is sparse and rare to come by anyway in these times of need. So yeah, coming back to the whole Kemi, it's a strange word, but yes, just think of it as achieving a much improved varnish gloss effect. So, I mean, this is a white craft box, which white craft both sides. Actually, it's lovely branding on the inside here, full of colour, Trinity London here. But yeah, this is a yellow printed onto white craft without a varnish. That said, even if there was a varnish put on that, the result wouldn't look any different because it soaks and the board absorbs the moisture from the ink and the varnish. Whereas this example, if I show you, this is Kemi clay coated on the inside, so a Kemi coated board. Actually, if I open the tissue paper of this breeze box up, you can see the white Kemi clay coating before it's printed silver, metallic silver here. Actually, there's another video showing, and I'll show you again, same metallic silver printed on a Kemi board compared to a standard white craft. So you can see, hopefully, the difference visually between what looks a bit grey and matte and a bit dull with the same metallic silver ink compared to on a Kemi board. There's other examples here behind me. This Samsung is on a Kemi board. This Mugler is on a white craft. So I hope that explains a bit more about Kemi. In fact, you know, hopefully you can see the difference in the sheen here. This is a slightly different yellow, albeit, but a Kemi coated board, printed yellow, as part of a marketing campaign we did. So hopefully that's given you some insight. If you've liked this video, subscribe to this video, I'd be ever so grateful. We want to keep spreading the word of all the technical jargon and basically explaining what the world of e-commerce packaging means to help you mail happy. Bye for now.